The model US25 is for beveling, facing and counterboring from 1 inch up to 4 inch pipe. Optional mandrels are available down to ½ inch. Identify your pipe size, wall thickness, material type and desired prep before continuing. Select the corresponding set of expansion blades to match your desired tube or pipe size. See the chart. Clamp the machine into the pipe by tightening the expansion nut. Install the appropriate tool bits into the tool holder slots and secure them with the set screws. Up to 3 simultaneous operations can be completed, as well as facing, beveling and counterboring. Double check to make sure the bits are properly located and will give you the prep requested. Connect the machine to the air or electric supply. After starting the motor, feed the tool bit slowly into the tube face by turning the feed handle. If needed, reset your bit to get the desired width of the land. Once your prep is completed and your tool bits correctly set, the operation becomes repeatable on the same tube size and thickness with no further adjustments.